Good morning, students. I am Vinay Kumar by name. I am going to start today in front of you from the book Behave English, a poem. The name of the poem is A Legend of the Northland. The writer of this poem is Phoebe Carey. Phoebe Carey. Now, before starting this poem, students, I would like to share my views with you about the poem as well as central theme of this poem. So firstly, I tell you a few lines about the poetess. About the poetess. Students, you already know that Phoebe Carey was born in 1824. She was an American poetess. She was the younger sister of Alice Carey. She died of hepatitis in 1871 and was buried in New York. So, this is the introduction about the poetess. Now, I move on the central idea or central theme of the poem. Central theme of the poem. This poem, or A Legend of the Northland, this poem suggests us the idea that we should not be selfish. We should always help the needy. A selfish person has no satisfaction in life. Now I explain the title of this poem. Students, be serious and listen carefully. A legend of the Northland. Firstly, you should be aware of the term legend. What is legend? Legend means a historical story which is very old and has been passed on from generation to generation. Now come to the term the Northland. Northland, students, Northland is a place which is near the North Pole. Near the North Pole. Okay, students. Now you can say that Northland means the area in the northern most part of the earth. In this area, the countries lies. They are countries like Alaska, Greenland, Russia, Canada, and Scandinavia. These are the countries which lie in the Northland area. Okay, students. So, by the way, today I have given you the knowledge about the chapter A Legend of the Northland and also about the poetess and central theme of the poem. Next day, I start this poem with reading and also discuss with the literary device. Thank you for today. Be safe.